Hello, my dear friends. In this educational session, we will learn about a 100% guaranteed method through which you can restore and retrieve your phone. During its loss or theft, this process entails extracting a code from the phone, and this method works on both iPhone and Android devices, such as. So, before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support us by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons and share this clip with your friends and family. Now, directly go to the call option, Sansasekiste, as if you are about to call someone, then you will type the star key. Then the network symbol. After that, we press 06, and then we press the network. After that, this information will appear for you. Now you should take a screenshot of this information or grab a piece of paper and a pen, then write down all this information on that paper for your reference. After that, put this paper in a safe and secure location and ensure it is not lost or misplaced. It is important for your records and future use. So, what does this information help you with? We all know that when someone buys a Omon phone, if it is stolen, they may go to the police. When he goes to the police ask him for the phone box, but most of the time, there are some people who buy phones. So write down this important information in case your phone gets lost. You can go directly and promptly to the police station and provide them with all the necessary details and relevant information, and they will be able to locate your phone as soon as possible. If you've definitely reached this point, don't forget to check out this amazing playlist of some iPhone tutorials as well as security tutorials. And goodbye, my friends.